Hi, third graders. It is time for the final piece of your research and note catcher. You'll notice that I've added 2 lines to the rubric. The first one is drawing flow map, and the second one is computer use. So today we're going to I'm going to show you how you're going to do your drawing of your insect's life cycle in a flow map. And so in order to get a 3, it says right here, my drawing flow map of the insect's life cycle is complete and accurate with labels. So I'm going to show you how to do that. We've also added a line for computer use because we are grading you on how well you have worked on the computers for the last couple of weeks. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down past the notes and your summaries. You all have finished your compare and contrast, so we're going to go past your chart. And then we get here where it says complete the flow map for your insect's life cycle here. Double click on the map. In the toolbar, click on the drop-down arrow next to the line arrow and pick the squiggle option. Your mouse is now able to draw in the large box. When you are ready to type the label of the drawing in the box underneath, click on the select arrow. That's the larger arrow that looks like a mouse arrow. So, some of you will have the 4-stage life cycle, and some of you will have a 3-stage life cycle, depending on your insect. I'm going to focus on the 4-stage and follow my directions and show you what you'll be doing today. So it says double click on the map, so put your mouse in the middle of the map here and double click, and you'll see it opens drawing. Inside here we have all the places where you are going to be drawing. Now it says to go up to the toolbar, this is the toolbar, and click on the drop down menu next to the line and arrow. So that's this little tiny arrow. You're going to click on that and you're going to click on scribble. Okay, so now you're able to draw with your mouse inside the box. So my first stage of a butterfly's life cycle is an egg. So I'm going to put my mouse where I want to start, and then I'm going to click and hold the mouse button. And using my finger, I'm going to draw on the mouse pad a picture of the leaf. Okay, so now if I click on select arrow, I can go over here and I can change the color of that line if it's appropriate. I wouldn't make it purple unless it was a purple egg. I can also go here and I can make the line a little bit thicker, so I might want to pick 2. I'm going to leave it black because I don't know of any other color that will work well. And now, because I still have that selected, I can go down and double click down here, and there's my cursor to start typing the label. So what is the first stage called? An egg. So I'm going to type in egg. Now I can go back up here, and I don't have to click on the drop-down menu this time because my scribble line is already here. So I'm going to just click on scribble, and now I get the pen where I can start drawing. And my second stage is a larva. So I'm looking at my book. And it kind of looks like that. Now, again, I can go up and hit my select arrow, and I can make that a different color. It looks like it's kind of brown in my drawing. And I can make the line a little bit thicker by clicking there. And there's my larva. Now I can go down and double click in this box and I can type larva to label what the picture is. And then I would complete stage 3 and stage 4. Now I can't, like if I go up here and I start clicking and I'm trying to draw and it just moves my box, I need to hit undo to put it, I need to hit undo to put my box back where it belongs. Okay, undo is your favorite button. Now what I need the scribble before I can start scribbling. Not scribbling, but drawing. And now I can draw what the pupil would look like. So make sure you know what your mouse is. And if you ever make a mistake, you can hit the undo button. But you need to hit undo immediately. If you made a mistake in the egg and you go up here to hit undo, it's going to undo the last thing. So right now it's going to undo the larva label. And then it's going to undo the brown and undo the weighted and undo my drawing, undo the label egg, and then undo the weight of the line, and then undo, and I get back to it. So you want to make sure that you undo immediately, otherwise it's going to take away a lot of your good work. So I'm going to do redo to put this back to how I want it. Whoops. And then I can start drawing my third stage. When I'm finished, I just click on Save and Close, and then it becomes a part of my note catcher. All right, good luck, and let's finish this project.